Hello, my dear children. How are you? I hope you are all fine. I hope you have completed the homework conducted yesterday. Yes? Okay. In the previous classes, what we have studied? Yes, we have learned about addition of integers. Yes or no? Yes. Now, let us recall now. Okay. So, listen carefully. The second question, already first question is done in our classwork note. Now the second question, evaluate the following. Okay, first one, minus 16 plus 14. Minus 16 plus 14. Okay, this addition of integers. Addition. Okay, both having two integers having different signs. Having different signs. So one rule is there. Yes or no? If the integers have the opposite sign, that is one is positive and other is negative mean we find the difference and assign the sign of the greater number. Yes or no? So you see here, these two integers have different signs. One is negative and another is positive. So we find the difference. So 16 minus 14 is equal to your answer is 2. Which sign will come? Minus. Why? You assign the sign of the bigger number sign. Okay. 16 and 14. Which number is bigger? 16. So that's why the answer is minus 2. Okay. One more example, one more sum. Okay. Now you say minus 20 plus 50. What is the answer? That's a different sign. So that's why we find the difference. Okay. So 50 minus 20 is equal to 30. Different means always subtract from bigger number to smaller number. So here bigger number is 50. Smaller number to 20. Therefore 50 minus 20 is equal to the answer is 30. Okay. Okay children. Now you see which sign is big. Which number is big? 50. So therefore your answer is this is a positive integer. So your answer is plus 30. That's a positive integer. That is 30. Okay children. Yes. Now third question. Don't write. Just listen. Okay. Now three integers are there. 3 plus 5 plus minus 4. Okay. So it's also so easy only. 3 plus 5 plus minus 4. So first we add these two integers 3 plus 5. Okay. We can add these two. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8 plus minus 4. 8 plus minus 4. Now you see this is positive, this is negative. So what is the answer? If the integers having opposite sign mean we find the difference. Yes or no? So 8 minus 4 is equal to your answer is 4 and plus 4 only. Why? The positive number having plus sign. So that's why your answer is 4. Okay. Then next question. Minus 25 plus minus 25. You see here, these integers have the same sign. Yes or no? Yes. So, we add the absolute value and assign the same sign to the answer. Yes? Okay. Now, minus 25, minus 25. So, your answer is same sign means we can add 25 plus 25. Our answer is 50. What is the sign? Minus. Okay. So addition of integers ஒரே சைனா இருந்துச்சுன்னா ஆட் பண்ணிட்டு அதே சைனை போடணும். அதே இது டிஃபரண்ட் சைனா இருந்தா என்ன செய்வோம்? சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணிட்டு பெரிய நம்பரோட சைனை எடுத்து போடணும். Yes children? Yes. This is yesterday class only. I recall it. Okay. So you take your classwork and you start. Okay. Second question. Write today's day and date. And second question. First one, second one, third one, fourth. That is fourth one. Okay. So write it one by one. Okay. First, second, third, fourth. Write neatly, children. Okay. Write without any mistakes, okay? Here is to do it carefully. Y means that is positive, negative signs also coming. So you write without mistakes, okay? Yes. Right, children? Do it fast. Have you finished? I hope you have written the work. Yes. So next, subtraction of integers. Addition of integers is over. So next one is subtraction of integers. Okay. Continue the class work. Subtraction of integers. Listen children, the next topic is subtraction of integers, okay. So addition of integers, that is finished. That is two rules, okay. Don't forget that rules. Always you remember the rules, okay. Now subtraction of integers. Subtraction of integers. While subtracting an integer from another integer, we add the additive inverse of the integer to be subtracted, okay. So எப்பவுமே நம்ம subtraction வந்து நம்மளுக்கு கொஞ்சம் கன்ஃபியூஷனா தான் இருக்கும். Addition is very easy, okay. So for example, you listen. For example, subtract 49 from 5. 49 from 5. The subtract 49 from 5, okay. Listen all of you. 49 from 5. So 5 ல இருந்து 49 sub பண்ண போறோம். For example, subtract from 5 what 49, yes or no? 49 from 5. So what is the answer? 5 minus 49. The answer is minus 30. Yes. Why? Yes, this is a smaller number, this is a greater number. So that is difference is very difficult. Yes or no? Yes. So that's why use the integers. Okay, you write the integers form. Okay. So subtract 49. Just read 49 from 5. So minus 5 take. Okay, another integer you take. So 49 from minus 5. So subtract minus 5. Okay, minus 5 minus 14. Yes or no? Minus 5 49 minus 5 இருந்து 49 sub பண்ணு. So minus 5 minus 49. It is correct or not? Subtract 49 from minus 5. So minus 5 ல இருந்து தான் 49 sub பண்ணணும். minus 5 ல இருந்து 49 sub பண்றோம். So minus 5 subtract 49. Yes or no? Okay. Yes children. Now what is the answer? This is plus sign means that is very easy. Yes or no? Addition of integers already you know. Yes or no? Yes. So that's why first you converted to addition. That's why நம்மளுக்கு எப்பவுமே subtraction ஓட addition நல்லா தெரியும். So அப்போ இது என்னவா இருக்கும்? addition ஆ இருந்துச்சுன்னா நீ ஆன்சரை சொல்லிடு. அப்போ இத நம்ம addition ஆ மாத்த போறோம். So how? Minus 5. Now you change the sign plus. Okay. Now you change the sign plus. That time you converted, you put the value of additive inverse. So what is the additive inverse of 49? Additive inverse of 49 is minus 49. Okay. So that time subtraction நம்ம subtract பண்ணும்போது எப்பவுமே என்ன செய்யணும்? We add the additive inverse. So we add the additive inverse. What is the additive inverse of 49? Minus 49. Suppose minus 49 is there. So what is the additive inverse of 49 minus 49? 49. Okay. Additive inverse means two integers whose sum is 0 are known as additive inverse. Additive inverse அப்படினா 7 ஐயும் minus 7 ஐயும் add பண்ணா நமக்கு 0. அப்படிதானா? Is or no? Plus 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. So 7 is the additive inverse of minus 7. Minus 7 is the additive inverse of 7. Okay. Clear? The additive inverse is, what is the meaning of additive inverse? Two integers whose sum is 0. Two integers whose sum is 0 are known as additive inverse of each other. Okay. So, நம்மளுடைய sign வந்து என்னவா வரும்? Opposite வரும். 7 ஓட additive inverse minus 7. Minus 7 ஓட additive inverse என்னது? Plus 7. Same thing here. What is the additive inverse of 49? Minus 49. What is the additive inverse of minus 49? 49. Okay children? Yes. Now you say the answer. Minus 5 plus minus 49. What is the answer? Having the same sign. Addition. That is very easy now. Minus minus. The two integers having same sign. So we find the sum. Yes or no? So 5 plus 49 is equal to 54. What is the sign? Minus. Why? The numbers, the integers having negative sign. So your answer is minus 54. Yes children? Clear? Subtraction of integers also very easy. Addition of, like addition of integers. Okay. Now going to the problems also. Okay. Now the first you take a class of note and write the definition. Subtraction of integers. Write the definition. Subtraction of integers. While subtracting an integer from another integer, we add the additive inverse of the integer to be subtracted. Okay. For example, subtract 4 from minus 6. Okay. So 4 from minus 6 means same on 4 from minus 6. So minus 6 minus 4. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. So minus 6 minus 4. Now you convert the addition symbol. Yes or no? So minus 6. Here this minus is plus. So what is the additive inverse of 4? Minus 4. Okay. So therefore your answer is minus 6 minus 4. Your answer is minus 10. Okay. So the question is additive inverse of here. You write the question, that answer also. Okay. Here 4 is that is additive inverse of 4 is minus 4. Okay children? Subtract 4 from minus 6. So minus 6 minus 4. Okay. So minus 6, you change the sign now plus. Minus into plus, that time you put the additive inverse. What is the additive inverse of 4? Minus 4. So minus 6, you put the additive inverse minus 4. Now you see that is the addition of integers. Okay. So minus 6 minus 4, your answer is minus 10. Okay. Now clear? Write it in your notes. Write it fast. Are you finished? Yes, I hope you have written the whole classwork notes. Now, the problems, okay? The first question is, minus 27 from 11. Okay, children, listen. Subtract the following. Minus 27 from 11. Okay, minus 27 from 11. 11 ல இருந்து minus 27 என்ன செய்யணும்? Sub பண்ணணும். 11 ல இருந்து from. So, minus 27 from 11. Okay, so 11 minus of 27. Is it correct? எழுதுறது ரொம்ப முக்கியம். Minus 27 from 11. 11 ல இருந்து minus 27 sub பண்ணணும். Okay. So 11 minus of 27. So now 11. Now you change subtraction into addition. Yes or no? So plus, that time you put the additive inverse. What is the additive inverse of minus 27? Plus 27. So 11 plus 27 is equal to, your answer is 38. Okay, clear children? Listen one time. Once again, I will repeat, okay? Minus 27 from 11. Minus 27 from 11. 11 ல இருந்து minus 27 sub பண்ணணும். So 11 minus 27. Okay. So here is minus subtraction. So first step is you convert into positive. Okay. So that's why 11 plus, that time you put the additive inverse of this integers. You put the additive inverse. Additive integers mean additive inverse of an integer is obtained by changing the sign of the integer. Changing the sign of integers. Okay. So here is minus is there. That's why you put plus. So what is the additive inverse of minus 27? Plus 27. So 11 plus 27 is equal to, your answer is 38. Okay. Now clear? Now second question. Don't write. Minus 44. Listen. Minus 44 from minus 21. Okay, all of you listen carefully. Minus 44 from minus 21. So now you write minus 44 from minus 21. Can be written as minus 21 subtraction. This is subtraction question. Okay, 21 minus 44. Okay, minus 21 ல இருந்து minus 44 sub பண்ணணும். From minus 44 from minus 27. That's why minus 21 minus of 44. Okay, children? Yes. Now here is minus. So now you that is convert into positive. That's addition. Okay. So minus 21. This is minus into plus. That time you put the additive inverse of this integer. What is the additive of this integers? Minus 44 is there. So additive inverse of minus 44 is plus 44. Okay, clear? Minus 44 ல இருந்து plus 44 எப்படி வந்ததுன்னு தெரியுதா? இந்த plus நம்ம கன்வர்ட் பண்ணும்போது the integer ஓட additive inverse போடணும். additive inverse னா அந்த sign change பண்ணிடலாம். சரியா? So minus 21 plus 44. Otherwise நீங்க high classல போகும்போது சொல்லுவாங்க minus into minus plus minusம் இந்த minusம் சேர்ந்து multiply பண்ணும்போது என்ன ஆகும்? ஒரு ஆபரேஷன் இருக்கு multiply. So minus into minus plus ஆயிரும் அப்படி சொல்லுவாங்க. That is also correct only. But you to find now you to study like this. Okay. So minus 21. Now you change in the sign plus additive. That time you put the additive inverse. Okay. So minus 44 is the additive inverse. That is 44. Now we can add. Here is minus. Here is plus. So if the integers have opposite sign, so we find the difference and put the greater value sign. Yes or no? Yes. So 44 minus 21 sub பண்ண போறோம். Correct? Yes. So 44 minus 21 is equal to your answer is 23. So what 23? Positive. Why? The sign is greater number sign. Here greater number is 44. The sign is positive. So that's why your answer also positive 23 plus 23. Okay children? Now clear? Yes. Again one more time I will explain. Okay, listen. First question minus 27 from 11. Okay. So that's why 11 minus of minus 27. So 11 now subtraction into addition. Okay. Subtraction into addition. That's why you put the additive inverse of minus 27. What is the additive inverse of minus 27? Plus 27. So that's why 11 plus 27. Your answer is 38. Okay. Now second question. Minus 44 from minus 21. So minus 21 minus of minus 44. Okay. Minus 21 la irundhu minus 44 sub panna porom. So minus 21. Now the sign into plus. The negative sign into plus. That time you put the additive inverse of this integers. Okay. So what is the additive inverse of minus 44? Plus 44. So minus 21 plus 44. Now you see having different signs. That's why you find the difference. Okay. Difference means always subtract from bigger number to smaller number. So 44 minus 21 is equal to your answer is 23. Okay. So that's why that is plus sign 23. Why? That's a bigger sign is positive. That's why your answer is positive 23. Plus 23. Okay children? Clear? Yes. Now you write it in your classwork notes. Continue the classwork. Write neatly children. Look at your board and write, okay? Don't look here and there. You look at on your board what is written, okay? Okay? Stop writing. And third question. One more example. Minus 35 from 5. Okay? Listen children. Third question. Minus 35 from 5. Minus 35 from 5. So, it can be written as 5 minus 35. Yes or no? Yes. Subtract minus 35 from 5. So it can be written as 5 minus 35. Okay. Now 5 that is minus into plus minus into plus. That time you put the additive inverse of minus 35. What is the additive inverse of minus 35? Plus 35. Okay. So now your answer is 5 plus 35 is equal to 40. Okay. Clear? It's so easy. Yes or no? Yes. So you continue this question also. Write it in your classwork note. Okay. Yes. So addition finished. Next subtraction also finished. Now third one is multiplication. Okay. Third one is have you finished? Have you finished? Yes. Now let us recall one more questions also. Evaluate. Evaluate the following. Okay. The question is minus 40. Listen children. First question, the simple subtraction that is finished. Now the second one is three integers are given. Okay. Here you see the question. These two integers are addition and this is the subtraction. So do it carefully. Okay. So all of you listen. All of you listen. The question is minus 26 plus minus 37 minus 14. Okay. Now you see these both are addition. Yes, addition of integers. But this is a subtraction. So first of all, you do the additive these two integers. Okay. Minus 26 plus minus 37. Minus 26. First of all, we can find these two integers answer. Okay. Minus 26 plus minus 37. So what is the answer? You see that here also minus, here also minus, having same sign. So, having same signs mean we add the values. Yes. So, 26 plus 37. 26 plus 37. What is the answer? 63. Yes or no? 6 plus 7. 13. 3. 1 carry. So, your answer is 63. So, your answer is 63. So, 63. Which sign will come? Minus. Minus 63. Now, minus 14. Yes or no? Minus 63 is both. First to find the value of these both. Minus 26 plus minus 37. So what is the answer? Minus 63. Yes or no? Yes. So minus 63 minus 44. Now you see this is the subtraction. So next step. Minus 63 minus into plus. That time you put the additive inverse of 14. So what is the additive inverse of 14? Minus 14. Yes or no? Yes. Now you say the answer. Minus 63 plus minus 4. Now if the integers have the same sign, so we add the values, yes or no? So therefore 63 plus 14 is equal to, your answer is 77. What 77? Minus 77. Okay, children, clear? Listen, one more time I will explain. Okay, minus 26 plus minus 37 minus 14. Now, minus 3 integers are there. So first to find 2 integers are answer. Okay, so minus 26 plus minus 37. So now this is the addition. So we add. Okay, minus minus having same sign. So you find the sum. 26 plus 37. Your answer is 63. What is the sign? Minus 63 minus 14. Okay. Yes. Now this is a subtraction. So you convert into plus. That time you put the additive inverse of 14. What is the additive inverse of 14? Minus 14. So now you see these are now we are coming to the addition. So minus minus same sign. So we add the value 63 plus 14 is equal to your answer is 77. So minus 77. Okay, children, clear? Then one more sum. Don't write. Second question. 9 minus 9 minus 7 plus minus 6. Okay. Minus 9 and minus 7 plus minus 6. So, how do you find? Say the answer. First to find. First to find. A. Addition. First you find these two integers answer. Yes. Minus 9. First you find this. Okay. First you write the question. Okay. Now you find the answer. These both answer. Okay. To find the minus 7 plus minus 6. Okay. Minus 7 plus minus 6. So minus 9. Like same integer. Now you find the answer minus 7. This is the subtraction. So that's why you first to find the additive. Minus 7 plus minus 6. Minus 7 minus 6. How much your answer? Minus 13. Yes or no? Yes or no? Minus 7 and minus 6 having same sign. Yes or no? That's why we can add the absolute value. So 7 plus 6, 13. Your sign is minus. So your answer is minus 13. Now minus 9 minus 13. So minus 9 minus 13. So minus 9 you minus into plus. So that's why additive inverse of 13. What is the additive inverse of 13? Minus 13. So your answer is minus 9 minus 13 is equal to minus 22. Yes? Clear children? So எப்பவுமே உனக்கு 3 integers கொடுத்திருந்தாங்கன்னா first addition தான் பண்ணணும். That is BODMAS rule. BODMAS. Addition then only after subtraction. Okay? That's why you always you do it first addition only. Okay? Okay children? Minus 9 minus 7 plus minus 6. So which one is addition? Two integers. These two only addition. So that's why first to find minus 7 plus minus 6. Minus 7 plus minus 6, your answer is minus 13. So after minus 9, this is subtraction. That's why you convert into plus. So minus into plus, that is you put the additive inverse minus 13. So your answer is minus 22. Okay. Now write down in the class of note second question, first one and second question. Write it. Write children. First question and the second question. Okay. Write properly. Have you finished? Now third question. Write neatly. Write without any mistakes. Okay. Write neatly. Write without any mistakes. The plus signs and minus signs also there. So write carefully, children. Okay. Now see the question. Listen. All of you listen. Stop writing. Okay. 4 plus minus 11 plus minus 6 minus of minus 2. Okay. Now say the answer. 4 integers are given. 4 integers. So, okay. So that's why you separate two groups. Okay. This is one group. This is one group you take. This is a positive addition. Okay. 4 plus minus 11. This is a addition. Minus 6 minus of minus 2. So you find the answer separate. 4 plus minus 11. What is the answer? What is the value of 4 plus minus 11? You see here positive, negative. So subtraction is. So 11 minus 4 is equal to your answer is 7. What is the sign will come? Minus. Now here is plus is there. Now what is the sign? What is the value? Minus 6. This is a subtraction sum. Yes or no? This is addition. So no problem. That is answer is coming. What is the answer? Minus 7. So minus 6 minus of minus 2. So minus 6. This is minus into plus. That time you put the additive inverse. So what is the additive inverse of minus 2? Plus 2. Now what is the answer? Minus 6 plus 2? Minus 4. So that's why your answer is here minus 4. Yes or no? Yes or no? First, you see that 4 integers are there. So you separate 2 integers. This is the addition. This is the negative. That is the subtraction sum. Okay. So first you find the addition. So 4 plus minus 11. So 4 plus minus 11. So what is the answer? Minus 7. Now minus 6 minus of minus 2. So I am doing here rough work. Minus 6 minus of minus 2 means minus 6. You subtraction into plus. That time you put the additive inverse. So that's why minus 2 into 2. Okay. So now you answer minus 6 plus 2 is equal to your answer is minus 4. Why? Having different signs. Different signs mean in the addition, the rules of addition of integers. What's the rule? Second rule, yes. Having different signs mean we find the difference and put the greater value sign. So that's why your answer is minus 4. Okay. Now this value 4 plus minus or 11 value is minus 7 and this minus 6 of minus 2 value is minus 4. So your answer now minus 7 plus minus 7. This is addition only. So minus 7 minus 4 your answer is minus 11. Same sign means we add the absolute value and assign the sign the same answer sign. Okay. So that's why minus 7 plus minus 4 is equal to your answer is minus 11. Okay children. Clear? It's so easy. நம்ம addition of integers நல்லா ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்க. addition of integers என்ன நமக்கு ரூல் என்ன? ரெண்டும் ஒரே சைனா இருந்துச்சுன்னா ஆட் பண்ணிட்டு அதே சைனை போடணும். அதே இது டிஃபரண்ட் சைனா இருந்துச்சுன்னா என்ன செய்யணும்? சப் பண்ணிட்டு பெரிய நம்பரோட சைனை போடணும். இதுதான் addition of integers. அதே இது சப்ட்ராக்ஷன் பண்ணும்போது என்ன செய்யணும்? மைனஸ் சைனை பிளஸ்ஸா கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணும்போது அந்த இன்டிஜரோட அடிட்டிவ் இன்வர்ஸ் போட்டு ஆட் பண்ணணும். அவ்வளவுதான். ஓகே, வெரி ஈஸி. டோன்ட் கன்ஃபியூஸ். ஓகே, டோன்ட் கன்ஃபியூஸ் இட். ஜஸ்ட் you recall the ideas. All the ideas are you remember. Okay, don't forget anything. Okay children, so very easy. So now write the class work note. Write it in your class work note. Continue the notes. Okay. Tomorrow we will see the multiplication of integers. Okay children? Okay. Now clear? Subtraction of integers is. Have you understand? I hope you understood. Okay. So now homework. Your homework is page number 10. All of you take your book. Page number 10. Page number 10. Exercise 1.2. In question number 2. In question number 2. Already done, yes. First question in your homework notes. Yes. Now the second question. Okay. Subtract the following integers. Second question. Okay. The questions are in second question. In sum number 2, okay, in second question, first one, second one, fourth one and sixth one. Okay, note the question children in your homework note. Okay, note the questions. Page number 10, sum number 2. In sum number 2, first one, second one, fourth one and sixth one. Okay, and next question, third question. In sum number 3, in third question, first one and sixth one. Okay children, the very homework is very easy homework only. So only subtraction of integers, that questions only I given. So that very easy. And once again, page number 10, your homework is page number 10. In question number 2, first one, second one, fourth one and sixth one. And question number 3, first one and sixth one. Okay, these are your homework. Do in your homework notes. Okay, children. We will see the continuation of this in the next class. Okay. Thank you.